How's it going, everybody? Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to discuss what a sublimit of insurance is in the context of a cyber liability insurance policy. My name is Brian Gutowski, and I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with business owners and company executives on their cyber liability and tech E&O insurance, as well as their broader commercial insurance programs as a whole. I work with clients across the Midwest and the entire country, and I do like to think I do things a bit differently than other agents out there. My goal is to help educate you and give you the tools and resources necessary to make the right insurance decisions for your business. And overall, help answer any questions that you might have related to insurance. So let's get into it. When we talk about a sublimit on an insurance policy, what we are referring to is a limit within the overall policy limit that caps the amount of coverage for specific losses. This is not the total maximum amount the insurance company would pay for a claim, but rather a limit within your existing coverage for certain specific risks or losses. So why is this important in the context of cyber liability insurance? Cyber insurance policies cover a wide range of risks, from data breaches to business interruption and much more. And it is common for insurance companies to place sublimits on specific coverages on the policy. And they do this to limit their risk exposure. For example, if your business has a data breach, there might be a sublimit for notification costs and expenses. These are the costs that are associated with notifying those that are impacted by the breach. So even if your overall policy limit is high, having a sublimit will cap the amount the insurance company will cover for that specific loss. Understanding sublimits is critical because it helps you understand and realize where you might have gaps in coverage, especially on cyber liability insurance policies. This is because these policies are typically updated annually. The coverage forms are always changing, so it is very important in the context of this coverage that you are staying up to date on your policy every year, every renewal. And if the sublimits are lowered for a particular coverage than you are comfortable with, one, either ask the insurance company to raise them, or you may need to consider additional policies or endorsements to provide the full coverage that you might want to have in place. So just something to consider, that when you are reviewing your cyber liability insurance policies, keep in mind what these sublimits are. Knowing these details can help you better prepare and manage the financial impact if there ever is a cyber incident. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for confidence in your coverage and at a great rate, and this is the type of relationship that you would like to have with your insurance professional, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team could potentially help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they are all in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you found this video helpful and think anyone else might, feel free to send it their way, whether that's friends, colleagues, anyone else. And if you have any questions that I could help out with, whether it's in regard to cyber liability insurance specifically or insurance in general, please feel free to comment them below. I would love to see if I can help with those as well. So thank you again.